Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our Express Smart Sorter. It is developed in-house by our company, HKC. There are two methods for placing books on the sorter. Books can be placed on the conveyor belt by hand, or a book separator can automatically distribute a large quantity at once. It is equipped with a high-speed barcode or RFID reader. It can scan up to 3,000 books per hour. The reader operates in conjunction with the software, while the control module determines the sorting destination for each book. The software is connected to the library system and automatically identifies the branch to which each book belongs. While the machine is operating normally, the operational noise is very low thanks to its soundproofing design. The operating noise is below 65 decibels. The e-ink electronic displays are installed on each sorting bin for the automated cart matching feature. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.